It's time to take off this makeup.
I whip my hair back and forth. I whip my hair back and forth. Bald eagle. I've been wanting to do that for so long. Bye bye, fake beard. If anyone wants this pubic hair, message me. Ooh, it was hot under there. Oh, hi. How do you do? If Aladdin's genie and the guy from Breaking Bad had to have a baby, here you go. Wanna ruin our friendship. We should be lovers instead. And the curtain falls, and I can't see anything. Hi. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Okay, this is art. Oh my gooey, oh my, oh my gooey. Go follow me on Instagram, bitch.
Take off my makeup with me, Rhinestone Glam Demon Edition. First the earrings and the lashes. Now the contacts. And now for the really fun part. Little baby horns. Ow. And this nasty scar wax. Ew. It's so messy and sticky and yucky. Ugh. Look at my fingers. Ew. For the horns. Ugh. Could not get this scar wax to lay right, but it was still a cool, fun, messy look. Also remembering I didn't take one freaking picture. And also my apartment people had to come over and saw me looking real crazy.
Hey, what's up, you little freaks? Guess what time it is? Yes, it's time to take this off again. Also, I am Groot. I can't breathe, and I also can't feel my face. So, needless to say, I am very excited. The mouthpiece is already falling off because I've been talking a lot, but let's just... nice. Now it's time to take this off, and oh my god, I am so excited to breathe again. Whoop. Oh, no. There's a lot of clay on my face. Oh, thank God. I can use my nose. Be gone, Groot. I feel nothing. Nothing. And once again, this is way scarier than the original look. Cool thing about covering your whole face with clay is that there's really not that much makeup to take off after. Contacts. And just like that, I am now clean. Well, hey.
Hey, what's up, you little freaks? It's time to take this off again.
I can talk again, oh my god. That was literally the quietest intro I've ever done in my entire life. Hi, how's it going? I was so happy with this makeup. It took me so much willpower just to take this little part off. But let's just keep taking the rest of it off. I really like how these buttons look, like I can see through these little holes. I literally didn't talk for an hour and I already forgot how to speak. But the small pieces are done, let's do the big ones. The carrot nose. Ah! Sis really popped off there, huh? Alright, now the eyes. Can I, like, take the button out? I can! Why is this scarier than the original look? Oh my god. Okay, now I gotta take this off without ripping my skin. This.
Hey, what's...
Take off my makeup with me. Lash 1, lash 2. Oh my god. All that hard work. They call me Snow Miser. Whatever I touch, do in my clutch. Oh, I'm too much. I never have a technique to take off my makeup. I just sort of wing it, you know. Ugh.
I'll be getting in the shower, cleansing my face, probably about 2 to 3 times, washing my hair deeply. When I tell you, Maron face paint to get out of your hair is a nightmare. Why do I low-key look like Jack Frost? Okay, I'm going to go and have a deep shower because I cannot get this off my body, so I'll be back in a minute. Oh yeah. I showered, I'm in bed.
Whoa, 1 second. Anyways, as I was saying, guess what time it is? Oh yes, it is time to take this off again. This was a lot of fun to do, but it's gotta go. If I just pull the zipper, will it rip off? Ah, nice. Now it's time for the rest of this to go. More nightmare fuel just for you. I think I got most of the paint off. There's a little bit in my hair, but I'm gonna shower anyways. But you guys have an amazing day.
Take off this Grinch makeup with me. So first of all, I can barely breathe and my hands aren't green, they're kind of blue, so don't judge me. So first thing is the fingers. This is grossing me out. They're actually coming off easy. I thought it was going to be like cotton ball-y everywhere. Oh, I still have more. Ooh, that would hurt. Now for the wig and hat. Y'all know these lashes are next. Now for the lovely brows. Ooh. I have eyebrows. That was scary. Okay, now pray for this brow. Oh, I think some hair is in my eye. But I have brows. Now time for this guy. It's already opening up. And this is literally all toilet paper and it's so hard. Ew, that was super easy. This almost looks like a legit prosthetic. Now time for that Juno & Co. I just love the way it smells. Oh, this is gonna be so messy. And it's gonna be a pain in the butt to get out of my ears, let me tell y'all. Literally looking like Shrek over here. Also, I have some really fun and exciting news. I will be moving out of this apartment and getting a 2-bedroom so I can have my own makeup room. And that also means no extra background noise. But yeah, that's pretty much it. I'm gonna go shower. Take off.
I'm ready to take this off and go get me some SpaghettiOs. Here we go. Let me just... Ooh. Nice. Double lash rip. So I've never removed, whatever this stuff is called. Rigid collodion? Yeah. Never done that before. This should be interesting. I think I just need to rip it. Oh. Ow. Ow. Let's just wipe this part off now. Oh, the skin is tender. Oh my god. Don't be me. Buy remover. It's fine. I'm fine.
Take off this look with me. First things first, wings off. I'm now gonna start by taking off the headpieces. The first set of horns. You guys, Halloween is in 3 days. Do you know who you guys are gonna be yet? If so, make sure you comment because I want to know. I'm excited to hear all the cool things you guys are gonna be. It's in my hair, it's in my hair, it's in my hair. So I'm just gonna leave that horn there. This one's in my hair too. Gem time. Time for the lashes. My favorite part. We're gonna be using Dermalogica's pre-cleanse that you can find in any Sephora. Near you. Filled my hands, now I'm just gonna begin rubbing it all over my face. It's literally melting away all the layers of my makeup. And it smells good. Begin wiping. I am impressed. It's literally just gliding off. I thought I was gonna be staying. Running out of time. See you guys after. And with that, thanks for watching. Till next time.
Take off my makeup with me! Pumpkin edition. I've only had this on for like a half hour, but I have a Halloween party to go to, and sadly, I cannot wear this. Imagine me walking in as like a sexy pumpkin. I can't tell you how excited I am to have this as a mask. My shoulder things are so cool too. I'm really proud of this one. Like, I made all of this stuff, like... Start with the shoulder pieces. Oh my god. This is just toilet paper and latex. Ouch. And Now for the mask. I really hope this comes off in one piece. From here up is something that I made prior to doing the makeup, and then down here I actually like made with toilet paper in the moment, and I kind of just attached them. Let's take this off. Oh my god, it's ripping. It doesn't hurt that bad actually, honestly. Oh, I take that back. Switch to this side. Oh no. Oh, it's stuck. I just have this final piece on my chin. I look so good. Oh my god. There's makeup on my teeth. You guys want to see it? This is so cool. Here's the inside, and there's like this place for your chin, but this is like pretty heavy. This is kind of cool because usually like I just do the makeup on myself, but with the masks that I keep making, like now anyone can wear my makeup. Okay, I need to stop looking like this. Oh, why is my hair pink? I literally had a swim cap on protecting my hair and managed to rip out a chunk of hair.
Taking off a look that took 3 hours. I've only had it on for 5 minutes. But I'm really not looking to break out. I'm really hoping I at least got my 15 minutes of fame from this because my face is probably going to be stained for weeks. Thank you for coming to my test.
Thoughts during a makeup removal. Am I really taking an ice cream cone made of clay over a plastic bag off my head for in the morning? Not the glitch. Please let my eyebrows still be there. I am not cool enough to rock the no eyebrow thing. H. That's the sound of my internal scream, just so you know. Oh no, my sanity. It's broken. Who needs baby hairs anyway? Not me. At this point, I just give up. Thanks for watching.
Okay. I don't ever do removal videos, but if I'm gonna do one, I feel like this needs to be it. Like, where do we even start? I feel like I need to start with the eye, maybe? No. Teeth? I don't know. Let's see if I can get this all off in one piece. There we go. Oh, wait. I gotta take my clip off. The back, though? Dang! How much junk do I have back here? Okay. Okay. Let's see if I can get this off in one piece. Disgusting. Oh, ow. Okay. Ow! Ay. Okay. Well, it's not going to come off in one piece thanks to this. Oh. Oh my gosh. Ah! Gee. I know. Uh-huh. Okay, wait. Oh, ow, ow. It hurts so bad. I thought I did a really good job with like keeping it out of my baby hairs, but clearly that wasn't the case. Okay, I can't do this. I need some baby Earl or something. My son thinks I'm talking to him, by the way. Fuck. This is just gonna have to stay here at this point, cause oh. Okay, yeah, no, that's not. God. I need some baby oil. Hold on. I don't know why I said baby oil. I meant coconut oil. Let's see if this helps. It's definitely helping. Okay, no. Okay. Whew. Disgusting. This right here I'm a little concerned about. Maybe not, though. Maybe not. Maybe it won't be as bad as I am thinking. Oh, no, it actually... Oh, no, this is satisfying. well, that's pretty much it. I'm gonna go pick the rest of this gelatin off and take a shower. Oh, yeah.
Damn. It's in my nose. Alright, ready? Dang. That's crazy.